Hello world, Shelly here, and today we are going to do a 5-product natural glowy face, one brand, to get a beautiful put together makeup look in a flash, out the door for this busy holiday season, for you to enjoy the holidays or take back your power, you know, whatever you're into at the moment. The one brand I'm talking about is Merit Beauty. This set sold out so fast on their website. Merit Beauty does not do a ton of sales. So when they do, or when you can get these bundles, they are always at a discount. This one was 30% off the difference of buying all the products separately. So I highly recommend you walk, don't run, run, don't walk. Wow. Words. It is the busy holiday season. My brain is scrambled. So we're going to do a little put together face with just these 5 products, one of which I've already talked about on my channel and has become, I would say, probably my favorite discovery of 2022. And that is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. I have the full size of this. Before I mix it up, I will show you. It is one of those bi-phase serums. And this one of my favorite things is it's kind of like a dealer's choice. Well, number one, the ingredients are fantastic. So Merit is clean beauty, it is vegan, and it is cruelty-free. You guys know that over the past handful of years, I've stopped buying, I've stopped getting into new brands that aren't cruelty-free and preferably vegan as well. I do still use a few of the brands that I had previously used before I had decided this. I am vegetarian. I've been vegetarian since 2003. It is entirely because I don't want to eat animals. And so I very much appreciate the vegan, cruelty-free approach here, and they are also very conscious of the acne causing ingredients. They avoid those. They have excellent skincare. A lot of their products have squalane in it, plant-based squalane, which is one of my favorite skincare ingredients of life. It is very similar to the sebum in your skin, your natural oils in your skin, so it's great for helping maintain your moisture barrier and hydrating. It's got antioxidants that help fight off free radicals and cellular damages. It helps repair your skin. Like, squalane's fantastic. So I really like Merit's approach to all of this. I'm very much enjoying my foray into Merit Beauty. Thank you, Merit. They did send me this in PR. And let's go in with this nice mini size of the Glow Serum. It's so good. So it's like dealer's choice with this stuff. You can use it in your skincare routine as like a skincare serum. You can use it as the last step of your skincare before you put your makeup on as sort of a glowy do, which is what I'm doing today. I've already done my skincare, you know, moisturizer, sunscreen, whole 9 yards. That happened, you know, a good hour ago. So it's been a while since I've been sitting here. My sunscreen's all soaked in. So I'm using this today as sort of a cosmetic product and to give a nice glow to the skin. Now, you can see the reflect on my forehead. The glow is beautiful, dewy, not overkill. You don't look greasy, you don't look wet, you don't feel greasy. It sinks into the skin. It's almost completely sunk in already. And it just leaves this very beautiful finish, and it's nice for out the door, get gone, natural look, but enhances the beauty you got going on. Now, next up, let's try this highlighter. So you know I am a fan of highlights. A big fan. This is called Day Glow, and it's got no glitter in it. No glitter, no shimmer. It is more along the glass skin lines of highlights, and I think it's gorgeous. So I like to first apply a good amount, and then I just come in and circular right on the apples of my cheeks, and then I take it back toward my ear to get everything blendy. Look at this, you get, oh, It's so pretty. Now, if you want to go ham with this, I will occasionally, I'll let you do it. I will occasionally give myself just a little bit of boop directly over like the arch or where I wish my arch of my brow was. And, you know, just to draw attention up. But this is just a beautiful highlight without the glitter. So if you're the kind of person that has texture going on and doesn't want glitter or shimmer to accentuate that texture, you can get the glow without the glitter, and it's gorgeous. Now, another thing about the whole clean beauty at Merit, they are not only clean beauty like Sephora rates them clean, but they also meet the European Union, the EU regulations for clean makeup, and that's just amazing because if you are in the US, you may or may not know that the EU requirements for cosmetics are much more stringent than the US requirements. I'm just cleaning my brow brush real quick so I can brush my brows up. So the fact that they comply with the EU regulations as well is pretty amazing. What do I want to do? Do I want to do my brows or my lashes? Let's do brows. Lashes, brows, lashes, brows. I don't know. Their packaging is so pretty. My hands, I shouldn't have done this. I should have opened these all before I did the serum because now my hands are all slippery. All right, there we go. All right. So this is a clear brow gel. It's called Brow 1980. And hold on, I want to brush my brows real quick. So I have been training my brows to go up for several years now, and they still don't always cooperate, but I like a fluffy brow. My original brow look was, rest in peace, Mel Thompson. Her brows were my favorite brows of anyone's brows in the whole entire world. And so I modeled my brows off of her brow tutorials, and I guess that will be my tribute to Mel for the rest of my life because her brows are still my favorite brows of all time. And this product is, you know, the fluffy brow look. If you are lucky enough to have survived the 90s without plucking out all of your brow hairs, thank goodness I did, then bravo. But if you didn't survive the 90s, the nice thing about this is that you do get some volume. So it's going to find all of those tiny little baby brow hairs that you might not be able to see otherwise, and it will fluff them up, and you will look like you have more brow volume than maybe you looked like before you applied the Brow 1980. But I love me a fluffy brow. Love it, love it, love it, love it. All right. If I wasn't talking, this would go much quickly. Much quickly? Much more quickly. Sorry. My nose is about to run. It's gonna go running. All right. Let me curl my lashes real quick. I have those kind of lashes that stick straight out from my face. They don't like to hold a curl. And I'm here to report that this mascara from Merit, I try to give myself 10 seconds at least. I usually don't have the patience. There we go. This mascara, oh, that actually, it's nice when I have patience and actually wait the proper amount of time. This mascara from Merit, this is the Clean Lash, and it's a lengthening, lifting mascara with no smudging. And I am still testing this out, but in my early tests, my first couple times wearing it, I am very excited to report, and this is big news for me, that I can wear this without it smudging on my lower lash line. Oh, look at how pretty. Okay, I've said this a million times on this channel, but my favorite kind of mascara is the kind that gives you some volume at the base, the root of the lashes. I think I just said this in the last video I recorded, so you guys are going to hear this a lot lately. But I like volume at the base, and then I want the mascara to grab every single little lash so that it looks like I have a million lashes and they're all fanned out and fluffy. Like, that is my favorite look of a mascara. This one's doing it. Here is one coat on this eye of the Clean Lash. And also my favorite kind of a brush. You know that I like the fluffy, bristly brushes, not the plastic pokey. I like more bristles, not less bristles, because to me, more bristles grabs more individual lash hairs and gives them that individual coating, that fanned out individual look. That's what I want. That's what I'm going for. That is my favorite. But yes, this is a zero smudge mascara, and you know, a lot of mascaras claim that, and they usually don't work on me. I've said many times that I have a separate mascara for my lower lash line because they all smudge on me. And like I said, I've worn this a couple of times now. I think this is my third attempt, and it hasn't smudged yet. So here we go on the lower lashes. So my issue with my lower lash line is that my lower lashes are pretty long and they touch my face when I look down. And so most mascaras will leave a shadow in the center of my face where my longest lashes touch my face at the end of the night. And so far this one is not. It is a beaut. Thank you, Clean Lash. All right. Last product is our lip product. You know, you can really look put together just with a lip. Gorgeous, gorgeous bullet packaging here. I like the size difference between the base and the cap. This is a limited edition red shade. I'm trying it for the first time. All right. But you can really get out the door and just wear yourself a beautiful lip and be good to go. So when you're short on time, that's my recommendation. So this is a buildable lip color, so you can go one swipe and have a lighter, more lip gloss type of a look to it, is what I would call this. Or you can layer it up. Do you see that, how it's deeper? Layer it up. Build it up. I'm going to keep it pretty light. This shade is Apertif. So pretty. All right. Let's get the hair out. Ziva, you're such a crazy cat. Ziva, say hi to your fans. Merit Beauty and a Ziva cameo. I mean, what more could you want? All right, here's my crazy slept-in hair that is being wild today, and now I'm ready to run out the door, have myself a day. It's pretty wild to me that you can use this glow serum with no coverage products and still have a really nice put together look. I don't have any concealer on. I haven't covered my dark spots. I'm not covering my circles, but this does such a nice job at just giving you a blurred appearance to your skin. It's natural, it's dewy, it looks healthy and hydrated and plumped up. I'm telling you, this stuff right here is one of my favorite finds of the year. It's absolutely fantastic. Here's my put together face. I could have done this in like 3 minutes, I think, if I hadn't been chit-chatting with all of you guys. But there you have it. What do you think? Have you tried Merit Beauty? Have you tried their makeup? Have you tried their skincare? This was their foray into the skincare realm. I'm very excited to have them here because I like them. I like their approach. I like their clean, vegan, cruelty-free. I like the minimalist approach to, it's like minimalism on a luxury scale without a luxury price tag. The other really cool thing, if you've never ordered straight from Merit before, your first order you will get a signature bag that It's like a nice little storage bag that you can keep all your goodies in, and I'm a fan. Bravo, thank you, Merit. I am enjoying everything I've tried so far. What are your go-tos for a quick out-the-door makeup look? How do you feel put together and take back your power without having to spend a lot of time during these busy times when we are rushing around and trying to get all the things done? Ziva has relocated to right in front of the camera. She wants me to pet her. Okay, I'm petting her. I'm petting her. You can't see it, but here's my hand petting Ziva. Hope you guys are all having an awesome holiday season, and thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.